It was supposed to be a Hollywood love story. The legendary pirate of the silver screen, Johnny Depp, and the rising star with a mysterious charm, Amber Heard. They met on the set of The Rum Diary in 2009. Sparks flew instantly, and by 2015 they were married, smiling together on red carpets and posing for cameras like the perfect couple. But behind closed doors, their marriage was crumbling, and just 15 months later, it would erupt into a storm of accusations, heartbreak, and betrayal that would lead to one of the most explosive celebrity trials the world has ever seen. Amber Heard's biggest mistake came in 2018, when she published an op-ed in the Washington Post describing herself as a survivor of domestic abuse. She didn't mention Johnny by name, but the implication was impossible to miss. That article went viral, won her supporters, but also ignited a $50 million defamation lawsuit from Depp, forcing her to defend her words under oath while her credibility, timelines, and even her facial expressions were dissected by lawyers and millions of viewers around the globe. Johnny Depp's biggest mistake was deciding to fight this battle in the blinding glare of public scrutiny. By taking the case to trial, he opened the door for his own darkest moments to be exposed. Intimate text messages, stories of drug and alcohol abuse, volatile arguments. Every flaw and every shadow of his private life dragged into the harsh light of a courtroom turned into a stage. For 6 weeks, this trial became the internet's favorite reality show, with live streams watched by millions, TikTok clips racking up billions of views, and every smirk, glare, and awkward pause transformed into memes. The courtroom became a battlefield not just for legal arguments, but for public opinion, with fans fiercely taking sides and hashtags flooding social media. In June 2022, the jury ruled largely in Johnny's favor, awarding him $10 million in damages while Amber won a smaller counterclaim. But the so-called victory was far from clean. Depp had already lost film roles during the scandal, his image forever marked, while Heard's career faced a relentless public backlash that followed her every move. The truth? In Hollywood, the bigger the spotlight, the deeper the shadows, and when personal wars are fought for the world's entertainment, there are no real winners, only scars. And if you thought this trial was messy, wait until you hear about the next celebrity scandal that made this one look tame. That story is coming next.
Tell me how much do you like the video, and please subscribe the channel, like the video, and share as much as you can. And if you have any query, any horrible topic, horrible title, or anything horrible story, you can share in the comment section is open for you. You can share whatever you think, whatever you have in your mind.